Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. The process of giving the shape to the quarry stone with the help of the tools like chisels, hammer, axe, it is called as a dressing of stones. This process is carried out manually or by using machines. Dressing stone having a various advantage than the undressed stones, like it give the required shape to the quarried stone, it improve the appearance of the stone surface, it reduce the width of the mortar, thus it achieve the economy. It also reduce the weight of the stones and handling cost. The process of dressing of stones include a various steps like sizing, shaping, planning, finishing and polishing. Sizing is a process in which irregular or unshaped quarry stones are reduced to the desirable dimension by removing extra portion and the projection with the help of the hammer and chisels. It is carried out either at the place of the quarry or at the construction site. Shaping is a process in which a sharp projection and the other extra irregularities from the edge, corner and the surface are properly removed by the tools. Then the stones are now ready for the use in a common stone masonry work, for example coarse rubble masonry work. Planning is the process in which stones are cleaned off from all the irregularities from the surface by the fine tooling. Finishing is the process in which rubbing the surface of a dressed stones with a suitable adhesive material such as a silicon carbide in the presence of the water. This process is employed on the stone which are already dressed. It is either done manually or by machine. Polishing is the process in which grinding is done to the finished stones so as to make it smooth and good looking. It is done either manually or by machines with the help of the abrasive materials. The different tools used for the dressing of stones are spall hammer, it is used for the rough dressing of stones; mesh hammer, it is used for the rough dressing; scrabbling hammer, it is used for removing irregular bushing; waller hammer, it is used for the removing spalls; mallet, it is used to strike mallet headed chisels; gad, it is used for a split of stones; dummy, it is used for a strike chisels for a carrying work; hand saw, it is used to cut soft stones; drag, it is used to give drag finish; pitch tools, it is used to make stones of a required size; boosters, it is used to cut soft stones; point, it is used for a rough dressing of hard stones; punch, it is used for a rough dressing; tooth chisels, it is used for a dressed hard stones; drafting chisels, it is used for a fine dressing. Based on the tools used for the dressing of these stones, the dressing is classified into a various type like hammer dressing, pitch face dressing, chisels drafting, rough tool dressing, punch dressing, reticulated finishing, vermiculated finishing and picked finishing. Hammer dressing. In this case, the stones block are roughly made rectangular by the means of the Weller's hammer. Then the exposed surface is roughly sharpened by the mesh hammer. Pitch face dressing. In this case, the only edge of a stones up to 25 mm on all sides are dressed in a level, and the superfluous stones on the face is remain as it is on the face. Chisel drafting. In this type of the dressing, drafts are made at all four edges with the help of the chisels, and any superfluous stones at all the center is removed by the pitching tools or the scrabbling hammer. This type of dressed stones are used in the masonry work as a queen stones at the corner. Rough tool dressing. In this type of the dressing work, first edge are made square and then the series of a continuous and the parallel fine chisels line are developed on the face with the help of the batting or broad tools. This is common dressing for the ashlar masonry work. Punch dressing. In this case, a rough tooled surface is further traced so as to form a series of a parallel ridge with the help of the punch. Reticulated finish. In this type of the dressing, polygon or the irregular shaped reticles are formed in the center portion of the stone. Vermiculated finish. In this type of the finish, the sink about 10 mm below the surface is made more curved, which resemble like a worm-eaten appearance. Picked finish. In this type of the finish, the exposed face of a stones is dressed with the help of the tools called as a point, and thus it forms a small pit on the exposed surface. In this finish, most of our projections are removed and it gives a fine surface to the stone face.